What's up, everyone? It's your boy Coverman66 speaking from the garage shop. Now, there's one thing I love just as much as building cars, and that's watching them race. Don't forget, July 11th, Quaker State 400, 3:30 p.m., NBC Sports Network. Now, if you're like me, you love a good tailgating party. Sometimes you just can't get tickets. And besides, in the parking lot, that's where all the good food and the fun are. And you put those two together, oh yeah, Coverman will be there with the people, eating. People at Quaker State know this, that's why they came up with this tailgate kit. Now, Quaker State has teamed up with the Council of Responsible Sports to reduce the environmental impacts of the Quaker State 400. They sent me one to check out, so let's check it out. Ooh, oh, this is cool. There's a little apron. Check it out. Quaker State, yo. All right. You got your, to wipe your hands, you know, like when you're barbecuing or something like that. Look at this. Quaker State 400 cap. Oh. Besides showing your allegiance, you can also, you know, if you gotta run out and your hair is all disheveled and everything, you can just go and put the cap on and you can look good. I like this. This would have to probably be my favorite so far. Check this out. Unconventional Quaker State socks. Yeah, look at this. Oh, I can't wait for St. Patty's Day. They even hook you up with some barbecue rub. Look at that. Pretty good. We're gonna be using this tonight. Check this cup out. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this. Quaker State 400. Check this out. A Quaker State 400 carving board carved in the shape of the beautiful state of Georgia. By the way, Quaker State is running at Atlanta Motor Speedway for the first time ever. Little trivia for you. And this is perfect. It's cutting up steak, sausage, whatever. Now you got the proper equipment to cut meat or cut anything in the back of a truck. No tailgating kit could be complete without personal hand sanitizer. So that's the Quaker State 400 tailgating kit. The good news is they gave me 3 extras. The better news is I'm gonna just give them out. I don't need them, I got mine. And to be eligible for one of these kits, it's real simple. All you gotta do is subscribe to my channel, Coverman66. Follow me on Instagram, TerryLSX, and leave a comment at hashtag QS400Kit. And you're in. We're gonna choose 3 lucky winners from there, and you will be notified. And while you're at it, leave a comment for your boy Coverman66. And watch a few videos and make sure you hit the likes. Well, looking at the clock on the wall, or should I say ceiling, it's time for me to head on off. I want to thank the good people at Quaker State for sending me this beautiful tailgating kit. I will definitely be using it. But as always, please be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.